Hello viewers, I'm Paul White and welcome to Paul's Train Vlogs. Anyway viewers, I'm at Claremont Meadows covering the latest developments on the Western Sydney Airport project. Anyway viewers, if you haven't yet subscribed to Paul's Train Vlogs, please hit the subscribe button on the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and also don't forget to please ring the notification bell icon to receive notifications about my current and future releases. And thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs. Just going to show you this diagram just up here. Watch the just watch the stormwater pit there. We're just about halfway between St Mary's and Orchard Hills, which matter of fact, Orchard Hills is just over a kilometre south facing this direction. This will go all the way down towards Badgerys Creek Airport and through Aerotropolis, and will hopefully eventually head down towards Glenfield or Macarthur. Of course, viewers, section from Chatswood all the way down towards Sydenham will commence next year, and then the section from Sydenham all the way to Bankstown will commence the following year. And the Sydney Metro West project from the Bays precinct to Parramatta and onto Westmead is currently under construction at the moment. Excuse the tongue twister there, and some future projects from Pitt Street all the way down to La Perouse or Coquah, or small section between Bankstown and Liverpool, or a missing link between Tallawah and St Mary's. Anyway viewers, before I venture out to nearby Orchard Hills, anyway viewers, tunnelling around the Badgerys Creek Airport metro stations has been commenced, and one of those tunnel boring machines has been named Eileen, after the first female mayor of Penrith Council, Eileen Gammack. So there's a point of interest there. Today's want to know about one of those names for the tunnel boring machines named Eileen, named after the first female mayor of Penrith Council, Eileen Gammack. And Ulstrom Metropolis trains are currently testing between Chatswood and Sydenham, and they also simulate the testing of fully loaded passengers underneath Sydney Harbour to make sure the train doesn't implode under the harbour. So anyway viewers, now let's move to nearby Orchard Hills. Anyway viewers, unfortunately I wasn't able to show you the latest developments around the Orchard Hills railway station, as it was pretty fenced off and there wasn't any parking available. So on that note viewers, I'm gonna keep this one brief. So hope you enjoyed the latest update of the Sydney Metro Western Sydney Airport project. So I'm going to wrap things up. Thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs. Don't forget to give the video the thumbs up, subscribe to Paul's Train Vlogs, and favourite the video. Thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs, and I will see you at Hornsby. Until we meet again, it's goodbye for now.